Good morning. Today, andito ako sa Pandakaki, no? It's 7 a.m. in the morning, and as you can see, no people yet. It's Tuesday. It's October 28. And today, I'm waiting for Mamay, and we're gonna do boxing today. Let's go!
Go forward. 5, 6, 3, 2, back. Back, back, go. Back, back, back. Way! Halo ay buwak nyo, live boxing na yan.